Here comes a westbound CN train here at the Dorval ramps. So it's about 5 o'clock p.m. on the 29th of September 2021. New Via Rail train just came through. Brand new equipment from Siemens, and this train set is now coming right after it, heading west. Looks like some SD70M-2s in there. Coming a lot slower than that Via train did. And he's picking up now. He's got a green. Two SD70M-2s. You can smell the diesel from these things. And there they are, the Dorval ramps. Looks like all the train action is happening all at once between 4:30 and 5 o'clock p.m. today. Oh, cool. There's a CP train there. Another train. So I'm getting like a 2-for-1 here. So you got a westbound CN and an eastbound CP train here. Looks like all mixed freight. A lot of oil tankers on the CP side. A lot of wood products on the CN side here. And that's the end of the CN train. And here we have the CP train with double stacks coming up right after these tanker cars. Sort of a chilly day today, actually. For the 29th of September, it's only 14 degrees, but there's a wind, a bit of a wind. It's a bit of a chilly wind, and there's no sun. Very fleeting sun. Is that another train over there? No. Yes, there is another train coming. There is another CN train or a commuter train, one of the two. See in a minute. I think a commuter train. You'll have an EXO train coming around the bend here. Is he slowed down? He's really slowed down, that EXO train there. Maybe he's waiting for him to clear switches here. Oh, here's the commuter train. Okay. It's not stopping. It's slow, but both of these trains are slow. The commuter trains are really never that slow. Must be waiting for it to clear a switch. There's the DPU. The General Electric unit. Looks like it's been rebuilt. AC4400CWM. And there it's going to meet the commuter train. Nice. And the commuter's got to stop. So that double stack better keep going, or he's going to gum up everything. I know if you're commuting on these trains, it's not much fun to be stopped here waiting for a freight train when you just want to get home after a hard day's work. It's actually pretty unusual to see these trains stopped here. Now there you can see the power. ALP45DP running in diesel mode. Sort of a waste for that kind of locomotive, but what are you going to do? Wow, this is a 10-minute video already. Can't believe it. And this is an incredibly slow train. I'm sure the NDPUs will be showing any minute. Such a shame they removed that decal there where it used to say AMT. EXO, the company that now runs these trains, should just write their corporate logo there where that circle is. Yeah, still a lot of containers coming. Sure, a lot of people in this train are kind of frustrated right now. And what sucks is that you might end up missing your bus if you have to make a connection like I do a lot of the time. So, you know, planning this movement on CP's part, not great. It looks like he's going to be moving the commuter train now, so he must have cleared the switch. He's got a green light to come in. And I can hear locomotives. There it is, the end. The end units are there. It's a single SD70ACe, I think. Looks like actually a Union Pacific locomotive. Well, here's a Via. Those are the cars that are being replaced by the new Via train. So this this would be a 3-for-1 video. There we are, SD70ACe in the Union Pacific flag scheme. Foreign power. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.